Hi, I'm Danny from Paslode, and I'm here to tell you about our newest version of our positive placement nailer, the PPNXI, offering best in class in comfort, best in class in performance, and best in class reliability. Easy to freestand, and now I'll explain to you how to load the tool. With all Paslode nails for this tool comes a Series I fuel cells that enable the user to work in extremely cold and extremely warm conditions. Firstly, remove the safety cap and insert the Paslode fuel into the tool until you hear the click. All Paslode fuel have the best before date at the bottom of the can. Secondly, grab your 35mm square twist hardened nail, inserting it into the magazine, pull the follower up and gently place back on the end of the nails. As always with Paslode, inserting your lithium battery, we will suggest is the last thing in and the first thing out. First click into the tool, the battery's in standby. Second click, the tool becomes live. The PPN nailer uses Paslode's fantastic, small 7.2 volt lithium battery, which offers a huge 13,000 shots on a full 90-minute charge, or even 200 shots on only 2 minutes of charging. Once your fuel and battery are engaged with the tool, you have this fantastic LED display here that tells the user how much life they have in both the fuel and the battery. The tool also has a very easy to use depth drive adjuster. Simply wind and unwind to get your perfect finish. The tool also has a very quick and easy to use magazine release for any nail jams or cleaning or servicing that the tool may require. Simply undo this catch, the magazine can come off. And again, put it back together. Another great feature of this tool is our extra large belt and rafter hook. Simple, but really beneficial. So, applications for this tool, all your metal work. Things such as hangers, truss clips, light duty straps, nail plates, and much more. This tool can be up to 6 times faster installing the metalwork than the traditional hand and hammer method. Simply locate your metal finger into the hole of the metalwork. A fantastic tool. For removing the parts on the tool, battery first, simply press and remove your nails out of the follower, and then your fuel. Press the eject button once it's empty and needs replacing. I've been Danny from Paslode, and this is our newest PPNXI nailer.